Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome to the Forex Geek channel. If you're new here, I especially welcome you to this channel. In this channel, we cover a lot of insightful topics ranging from indicators to strategies and platforms related to Forex trading, a whole lot of information that you don't want to miss. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then you might want to do that right away. In this video, we are going to be discussing a unique indicator known as the Momentum Pinball Indicator. All right. Now, this indicator is quite unique. It's a custom indicator, so you will have to download it from a reputable site online. And after downloading the indicator, then you will need to load the indicator on your chart after you have already pasted the indicator file to your indicators folder. Okay, this is the MetaTrader terminal. All right. So if you're using the MetaTrader terminal, make sure that you've downloaded the file from a reputable source online. You can try out the MQL5 marketplace. If you can't find it on the MQL5 marketplace, you can check sites like the Indicator Spot. All right, that's one of the sites that I use, Indicator Spot. Right. Okay. Now I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart. All right, I have already downloaded it and I'm going to be adding it to the chart right away. This is how the indicator looks like. All right, this is how the indicator looks like. Now, this indicator combines the RSI and ROC. Okay, it combines relative strength index and rate of change. All right, the indicator delivers precise insights into market trends and potential reversal points. Okay, so while the RSI component helps you identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market, the ROC adds a layer of momentum analysis, giving traders a clearer view of the market strength and direction. So now together, these elements make the Momentum Pinball Indicator quite effective, when it comes to pinpointing trading opportunities. So now a combo between the RSI and ROI, is what, ROC, sorry. The combination between RSI and the ROC is what we have here in this indicators window. Now, how do you use this indicator to determine entries and exit? How does this indicator work? All right. How can you integrate this indicator into your Forex strategy? All right. Now, I will recommend using this indicator alongside, other indicators for confirmation. All right, because the method in which this indicator gives signals, you can see how sharp this indicator moves, right? So I would not recommend using this indicator as a standalone. All right. So first of all, let us understand how the indicator works. Okay. So let us go to recent price movements. All right. Let's go to recent price movements. Okay, so when there is a notable change in the direction, when there's a notable change in direction of the trend, there's a notable change in direction of a trend, you're going to see a sharp move by the indicator. All right, you're going to see a sharp move by the indicator. So we're into the fact that the Momentum Pinball Indicator functions with momentum. When you have a strong moving market, when the price action is quite strong, when the momentum in the market is strong, you're going to see a sharp movement. Okay, for example, we can see here there was a sharp change. There was a sharp change in the trend. There was a sharp change in the structure, right? When you have an already existing structure and you notice a sharp drop in this indicator, then you should expect a sharp drop in price. All right, you should expect a sharp drop in price. And then suddenly we also had a change in sentiment. As you can see that just after this sharp drop, we had the price go up. So when you notice the momentum pinball indicator after having a sharp decline or a sharp ascent, you notice a reverse, right? Just shortly after it moves sharply upwards, you notice a reverse downwards. Or after it moves sharply downwards, you notice a reverse upwards. Then you should be looking out for possible change in the direction, just like what we had here. Okay, so if you notice a sharp movement by the indicator, you might want to look for an opportunity in the direction of that movement. Okay, now let us look at this other example. We had a sharp drop in the momentum pinball indicator, and we can see that there was a sharp change in the price structure. We had low volatility around here, right? And suddenly we had an increase in momentum. All right, we had an increase in momentum. We had a sharp drop, and then you can see that the drop in price happened right immediately after the momentum pinball indicator began to drop. Okay, so when the indicator is flat, right, you should not open any trade. You should just stay out of the market when the indicator is flat. All right, but when you notice a sharp drop or a sharp ascent, then that is when you should enter a trade in the direction of the move of that indicator, right? So in this case, you can see that it was a sharp drop, so we should be looking for sell opportunities. Then immediately the indicator rose up, we should exit our sell. All right, so depending on the first direction that the indicator moves, that should be the direction you should enter your trade. If the indicator first goes down, you should enter your sell. When it now goes up, immediately after that going down, do not enter a buy, please. All right, instead you should use that upward movement to exit your sell. But if the indicator goes up first, all right, if the indicator goes up first, that's when you would enter a buy. Then when it drops down, you exit your buy. Okay, so that is the entry signal and the exit signal. This is the entry signal and the exit signal. All right, so take note of that. Now, when you want to integrate this indicator to your already existing strategy, you might want to focus on using this indicator to confirm entries or exits, or to predict your possible entries and exit points. Okay, in addition to knowing the momentum in the market. All right, so for example, let's say you are using moving averages. All right, you're using moving averages to trade in addition to price structure, obviously, the support and resistance zones, and chart patterns and candlestick patterns and what have you. So when you have, for example, you have the price drop below the moving average, and you have the price bouncing off the moving average in direction of the sell trend, that sharp change in structure, that reversal, as the price was formerly in a bullish structure, and we had a reversal here, right? So this indicator can confirm that reversal. The momentum pinball indicator can help you confirm that reversal, because on normal basis, the indicator will be moving sideways, flat, completely flat on a straight line. So it is when there is a sharp change in momentum or a sharp change in structure, then you will notice the indicator react. Okay, so that is even one of the reasons why this indicator shouldn't be used alone, because you might not always get a lot of trading opportunities. All right, because it's only when there is quite a sharp change in structure, or change in momentum or volatility or something like that, right? So for example, now within this whole period, you wouldn't have had any trading opportunity if you were using only this indicator, right? Within this whole period. Okay, so you can just use the indicator to confirm your trades. You can use the indicator to confirm a change in structure, change in volatility and momentum, okay, and all of that, right? Okay, so that is it for this video. Make sure that you always use this indicator alongside another indicator, or alongside an existing strategy. Okay, that is what I'm going to recommend. All right, so if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay smart, and happy trading.